Now this is ridiculous. I have never had a product that has made my hair feel this soft.
Natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae.
So today we are doing a curl reset. This is my hair about 4 weeks post my silk press. So I wore my silk press for 3 weeks straight, and then I did a perm rod set on it. If you have not checked out that video, make sure you check it out up here. But today we are doing an entire curl reset. Yes, you heard me right. I feel inspired, rejuvenated after getting my hair professionally trimmed for the first time, and she gave me some advice. So we're gonna walk through those steps today. She recommended I do a hot oil treatment to help soften that product up off my hair. So that's what we're doing first. This is the sacred oil ritual. Now, I don't know about no rituals, but we are gonna use this oil as our hot oil treatment. And she did focus the oil that she used during my appointment around the scalp. So I'm gonna first just go in and like douse this oil all over my scalp, kind of break up some of this gel from where I had my hair slicked up in a bun. And I'm just gonna run this all across my scalp. This oil has a unique smell, but it's kind of giving therapeutic vibes. So I'm just, again, dousing that all over my scalp. And then I do want to try and do a little bit of detangling. If not detangling, at least kind of like putting some of that oil on the ends. So I'm gonna separate and section my hair. I know it's dirty, but I have this Tangle Teaser. This is from the Skims collab. And when I bought this, I bought them because of the colors. I bought the 2 darker brown shades, but I didn't realize these had different prongs on it and they're more spaced out. So I think it may be helpful for trying to detangle my hair. And I know you're not supposed to detangle dry, so we're gonna spray just a little bit of water, but not too much, and add some more oil to the hair. And we're gonna kind of detangle it slightly, put them in twists, and then sit under the hooded dryer. Okay, so the first 2 twists are looking juicy, honey. But y'all, why did I forget I have this? This is the detangling spray from Sacred, and I'm gonna use this plus the oil and a little bit of water to detangle my hair and put them in these twists so we can do our hot oil treatment. Okay, so this is how much hair came out of my Tangle Teaser. I'm not gonna lie, that was looking like a little much, but I will say I did get caught in the rain the other day, and I feel like anytime you do a perm rod set or any kind of rod set and then you get caught in the rain, your hair swells, and when it swells, I feel like it kind of gets knotted up because it's like trying to curl up on top of curls that are already there. But anyway, nonetheless, this is what my hair looks like in the twist. As far as my hair reverting, it looks very, very promising. The front of my hair normally always takes a little bit of time for those ends to bounce back, but she looks good for it to be just barely wet. So I'm gonna go in a second time with just a little more douse on the scalp, honey. because I want to make sure all that good product build up, soften up. So I'm just going to run over this just a little bit more with a little bit more product. And then I'm going to put a shower cap on. Now, I don't remember how long I was under the hooded dryer, but I'm just about to sit under mine for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We got some sweat percolating in there. Ooh, okay. Now I'm gonna rinse this out my hair. This is the mud mask from 1212. This is the mask that Jazz used on me during my silk press appointment, and y'all, not only did it smell good, but I'm convinced this is what made my hair feel like so unbelievably soft. This is what she looks like. When I rinsed my hair out, I left it in twist on purpose because I wanted to make sure my hair was detangled as I applied the mud mask. So I'm just gonna keep these kind of sectioned off and then, you know, apply the mud mask twist by twist. So this mask has bentonite clay, Dead Sea mud, virgin olive oil, henna powder, keratin protein, vitamin E, tea tree oil, jojoba oil, and some word I can't pronounce type flowers. And not only does this mud mask smell so therapeutic, but it also like tingles the scalp. Like right now I have my ceiling fan on and my scalp is just tingling while I have this product on. So I know it's doing what it's supposed to do. This mud mask is also great if you need to add protein into your routine. I was always scared of protein because I know you can have protein overload, but I found out that I actually need some protein in my curl reset routine. Protein is something that helps build the strength and elasticity of your hair. Your hair is mostly made of keratin protein, so when you heat style your hair, color treat it, chemically process or over manipulate your hair, that is gonna break down those protein bonds. So when you use protein treatments, those kind of help fill in those weak parts of your hair shafts and makes your hair strand stronger and more resistant to breakage. All right, so I've fully applied the mud mask to my hair while detangling, and you're supposed to let this sit on your hair until it dries. So I'm just gonna let it sit and air dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, and as you can see, like it turns kind of like this light gray color, so it's pretty much dry. So now I'm about to rinse this out, and then I'm gonna go in and shampoo my hair with the 1212 shampoos. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the clarifying shampoo, and I'm gonna focus this on my scalp. You already know, let's rinse this out. All right, so now that that is rinsed out of our hair, it is time to go in with a hydrating shampoo. This is gonna help us double cleanse to make sure our hair is nice and clean, but add a little bit of moisture back into the hair. Now it's time to deep condition. This is what my hair looks like after the double cleanse. It feels very lightweight. It feels strong. Okay. So for deep conditioner, I actually went on a rampage, okay? After Jazz was telling me, girl, your hair is dehydrated. You need to hydrate your hair. I went straight on the Ulta app and ordered me some stuff. Now, the struggle with being a natural hair influencer, y'all, I get so many products, I be wanting to try them all. And so, of course, I went overboard when it came to ordering products that's gonna add moisture. I pretty much got the whole Hydro Rush line from Amika to include the leave-in and the overnight hydration treatment. This is very exciting for me, and It's already midnight as I'm doing my hair, so I don't know how much of an overnight treatment I can do tonight, but because I bought another deep conditioner, I think I should save this whole collection for another video. So go ahead and hashtag Hydro Rush in the comments if you want to see that video. So the deep conditioner that we're going to use today is the Matrix Food for Soft Rich Hydrating Treatment Mask. Okay, so this says it provides long-lasting, touchably soft, and moisturized hair. Use after shampoo. Apply the treatment mask mid-length to ends. So this is not to go on the scalp. So we're gonna do mid-length to ends, and then it says leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse and follow up with oil. Okay, so I've never tried Matrix products, but my little sister put me on. She has beautiful natural hair, and she said this deep conditioning mask literally gets your curls together so quick. So I'm gonna gently section off my hair and just go ahead and apply some of the mask and kind of detangle as I apply it. Okay, immediate softness. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is what my hair looks like after coming up from my hooded steamer. Y'all, I got this off a TikTok shop and I've been wanting one of these for the longest. It does have the additional attachment for like if you want to do the face steamer, but I was really excited to try this out, and it has like the little ozone button which kind of gives all the smoke vibes going on. And y'all, this is what my hair looks like after sitting under there for about 15 minutes. Now, the point of using a steamer is to make sure the product penetrates your hair strand. The steam is going to open up those hair follicles, open up, you know, your little shaft. So as you can see, before I sat under the steamer, my hair was white and had like the white product sitting on top, and now it is completely absorbed into the hair. So now I'm about to rinse this treatment mask out of my hair and then follow up really quickly with the 12-12 conditioner. This is going to be our last step, okay? Okay, so I'm done applying the conditioner. This conditioner has that minty feel, so it feels very refreshing, but it's also very soft on the hair. And as you can see, my hair is not super white because we steamed the hair. Like, my hair is still absorbing and sucking up all of this product. So I'm just gonna leave this in my hair for a few minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. All right, that was our last trip to the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. Okay, it feels very, very, very moisturized. And she low-key giving thick. I know that's right. Yes. But I'm about to style my hair and then I'll come back and show you guys what the styled results look like. Okay, y'all, this is how my hair looks, honey. When I tell you the curl reset was needed, okay? I think it's some tea in that mud mask because my hair has never felt this soft in a wash and go. Ever. And I feel like my hair feels soft not only because I incorporated the mud mask into my routine, but also this hydration treatment. This hydrating treatment mask from Food for Soft, definitely a good recommendation from my friend. I like this. I feel like not only did it make my curls feel moisturized, juicy, but it works quick. You only got to put it in for 3 to 5 minutes. However, I did sit under the steam hood, and I feel like that played a role in a lot too, okay? And my hair feels so good. Not only does it feel good, I feel like it looks nice and shiny. It looks really healthy, and my curls are popping, okay? And I know I started the curl reset from an old perm rod set. However, that perm rod set was done on my old silk press. So for this to be how my curls look after a silk press is insane. Like, I'm so grateful. I had no fears that I would have any heat damage or anything like that because the salon that I went to specializes in natural hair. So I was very like confident that my hair would revert, but baby, it looks so beautiful, so defined, and so healthy. All the products that I use today, I feel like are the perfect lineup for a curl reset. So you want to do something like this once a month, once or twice a month, depending on how like dirty and product buildup you have in your hair, depending on that. But I think I'm going to incorporate doing the mud mask 1 time a month, definitely doing hot oil treatments every wash day, just because your girl be trying out a lot of new products and I don't want that product buildup to cake up. I want it to soften up with that oil, and then, you know, doing the steam, I'm not gonna hold you. As long as I have time and get in a routine, I'm trying to do the steam every week because deep conditioner needs to happen every week and I haven't been doing that. And I just feel like my hair feels like drastically different from doing the deep conditioner under the steam hood. So that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to doing. And this wash and go specifically, I used Aunt Jackie's new Curl La La collection. I'll put out a video on that coming up. But this wash and go specifically, I feel like is very moisture filled and it's not crunchy, it's not dry. So I think the curl reset routine really played a huge role in how my hair turned out, and I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to try out any of the products or this steam hood, I'll leave links in the description box below. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. You already know, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any uploads. And as always, be kind, be true, and be you. Tipful. Bye.
It's Reshae.